Hello everyone, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet cute, adorable and in the same time simple flower. Such flower can be divided on two parts. The middle part that consists of single crochet with picots and part where I did petals. Petals made in Tunisian crochet, and for my petals I choose another color of yarn. For this project you need to have some tools. 2 balls of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and steel crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain. Then I'm going to work with middle part of the flower. So make chain of 4. To bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make treble crochet. I do not finish the stitch. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, 3. I have got 4 loops on the hook and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. My base is ready. It is going to be a base for my flower. Next time I'm going to work with trim for this middle part. And now I show you the direction in crocheting. I will begin from this side, continue with the opposite one, and continue working by spiral direction. Make chain, then work with this stitch. Make single crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then continue working with the opposite side. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Work with the middle stitches. Make 7 single crochet into each stitch of these 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. And work with the last stitch. 7 single crochet. I remove the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. I stop and we will look what we have. This is the middle part of the flower. Now I'm working in backwards direction. First of all, I crochet the middle part, then I'm working with petals. Let's crochet the middle of the flower. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet and chain 3 for the picot, and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet, like this. My single crochet with picot is ready. Then crochet just single crochet. Make the third one, make single crochet and chain 3 for the picot. So I will alternate with single crochet with picot and just single crochet. In total it should be 14 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, just single crochet, 7, single crochet and picot, 8, 9. Let's stop and look what I have done. It will be very beautiful. So I continue crocheting. 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. This is the 13 and make the last one. Now I stop and let's look at my middle part of the flower. It can be the middle part of the flower or another motif, or you can use it like a brush or base to create earring. Let's look at this example. In this case, I have done the same single crochet stitches, but without picots. Here how they look like. So if you don't like picots, you just make single crochet. You should crochet the same amount as I did in this video. So variation of such flower can be 2 or 3. It depends whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to work with 2 colors. The middle part will be made with pink color of yarn. Then I show you how to join next color of yarn. I remove my ready example. You can straight up the middle part. So now I continue working on my flower and let's crochet petals. I continue. Now I'm working with this side. In this case I'm working in round. I have already cut off the yarn. Now I join light color. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. So I joined my new color of yarn. So for this stitch I used 2 colors, dark and light. So let's crochet the first petal. Make a chain of 5 for the first petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn the work Yarn over the hook. I skip the first chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger. I continue working with strings, or this is crocheting in Tunisian technique. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. 2, 3, and 4. Like this. I have done my strings. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I did single crochet into and pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's count how many times you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over the hook. My first row is ready. I skip this stitch and insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Let's count. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Well done. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. We skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this. Then insert the hook into the stitch that we did into the ring, and 5. Then pull through 3 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through. So here how it looks. This petal I made in Tunisian crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat again. 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. My first petal is ready. Let's look at it. I remind you, this petal made in Tunisian crochet. Let's look at its volume. So you can see how my petal and middle part of the flower look like. I straight up my middle part. Now I continue working on my petals. Now I show you how to begin the second petal, and you should continue by yourself. Chain of 5 for the second petal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. Then insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, 1, yarn over the hook, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook around the stitch like this, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. So I need to crochet 1 more row and my second petal will be ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. And let's crochet last row of the slip stitches. Let's count them: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, and 2 petals are done. Let's look. I remind you, you can crochet the middle part without picots. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done all petals. Now I show you how to complete my flower. After I have done the last slip stitch, I insert the hook into the stitch that I joined yarn into. Here, this is my stitch, and make a slip stitch. So my round is done and flower is completely ready. I have already cut off the yarn. I straight up my petals and let's look at my ready work. Let's look at petals. They made in Tunisian crochet. Petals consist of 3 rows. I wrap my middle part and my beautiful flower is done. Let's look at both examples. They are very beautiful and in the same time very simple to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me, and of course, crochet with me. Good luck in crafting, and please write comment below the video what you will get. And bye! Thank you so much for watching.